Hello everyone, welcome to SecuCybers. Today let us learn about DHCP. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Every computer or a device has to have an IP address for communication purposes. There are two ways that a computer can be assigned an IP address. First is static IP. And second is dynamic IP. Let us understand it in depth. Static IP is where a user assigns a computer or device with an IP address manually. This was the original method that was done in the beginning of networking. For each computer you had to open up the network configuration page and manually type in an IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and a DNS server. And at any time you wanted to add another computer or device to the network, same procedure has to be followed. This needs a lot of work, especially when you deal with a large network that has a lot of computers, and also make sure that all the IP addresses are unique, because if same IP address is assigned twice it would cause an IP conflict and it would cause those computers to not have access to the network. There is a better and easier way to assign a computer an IP address, and this is called a dynamic IP, where a computer gets an IP address automatically from a DHCP server. DHCP server automatically assigns a computer an IP address and also assigns subnet mask, default gateway, and a DNS server. Therefore, DHCP server is the best choice because it's automatic and it makes managing a network a lot easier. It is a network management protocol used to dynamically assign an IP address to any device on a network, so it can communicate using IP. This network is based on the client-server architecture. Let us learn how it works. There are DHCP servers and DHCP clients. DHCP clients send request to DHCP server when it opens the web browser. After receiving the request, DHCP server replies the information to the requested DHCP client. When you connect to a network, your device is considered a client and the router is the server. In order to successfully connect to a network via DHCP, the DORA process must take place. DORA stands for Discover, Offer, Request, Acknowledgement. The process is as follows. First, when a client detects it has connected to a DHCP server, it sends a DHCP Discover request. The router either receives the request or redirects it to the appropriate DHCP server. Second, if the server accepts the new device, it will send a DHCP offer message back to the client, which contains the client device's MAC address and the IP address being offered. Third, the client returns a DHCP request message to the server, confirming it will use the IP address. Finally, the server responds with a DHCP ACK acknowledgement message that confirms the client has been given access, or a lease, for a certain amount of time. Let us learn some benefits of DHCP. Easy to implement and does automatic assignment of IP addresses to requesting clients. Therefore, manual configuration time of IP addresses can be reduced. The implementation does not require any additional costs. It simplifies administration of the network. It supports multiple scopes, for example multicast scope, super scope, etc. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us to never miss an update. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity and SOC training, be sure to check out our website for more information on our courses. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for watching.